Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Aura frame. First, carefully unbox your new frame, removing all protective films and packaging. Next, connect the power adapter to the frame and plug it into a wall outlet. Your frame will automatically power on, displaying a welcome message and a unique 4-digit code, which you will need for the next step. This initial power on is quick and straightforward, getting you ready for app connection. Now, grab your smartphone or tablet. You'll need to download the free Aura Frames app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new Aura account using your email. It's important to follow the on-screen prompts to verify your account and grant necessary photo access, ensuring a smooth setup. This app is your central hub for managing your frame and photos. With your account ready, open the Aura app and select Set Up New Frame. The app will then guide you through connecting your frame to your home Wi-Fi network. It's crucial that your mobile device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as most Aura frames require this frequency for optimal performance. Confirm the 4-digit code displayed on your frame matches the app. Finally, personalize your frame by giving it a unique name within the app. Now the fun begins. You can easily upload your favorite pictures directly from your phone's library, iCloud, or Google Photos. Aura also allows you to invite family and friends to contribute, making it a shared experience. Your frame will instantly begin displaying these cherished memories for everyone to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.